So here's a cool little trick. You need some number cards. In this case, we're using Uno cards. You would invite two willing participants to design a 4-digit number. You ask the first participant, give them 2 digits. You ask for 2 digits. Could be any digits, completely free choice. So let's say 62. Participant number 2, give me 2 digits. Let's say 8 and 3. All right. So here's participant's number based on both participants' contribution. 6283. So participant B makes the same number, 6, 2, 8, and 3. And now keep in mind, they decide on the digits. All right, so the remaining digits, we can just randomly put over here, one here, one there. We just use up the remaining digits. Okay, we'll put it there. We got one here and one there. So they design the numbers. If they're not happy with the second number, you can ask them if they're happy with that or they want to switch any numbers. So let's say they switch these two around. Okay. Obviously, if we're multiplying these two numbers, the result will be completely different based on how they change the numbers. So if they want to change these two around, and they don't have to change, it's just completely free choice. So we're going to multiply these two sets of numbers first, and we're going to take out my trusty calculator. We got 6283 times 3857, and that gives you, I'll write it down for you, 24 233 531. And they can use their own calculator. You never touch the calculator. Spectator or volunteer B does the same thing. 6283 multiplied by their 6142. And their result is something different. 38,590, 186. So you got two different results there. So if you add that number to this number, so 24, 233, 531, and you hit equals, you get a grand total, I don't know if you can see that, 62,828,717. These numbers were created by spectator A and B. The remaining numbers were placed there and they can switch them around. They had a grand total here and a grand total here. You add the two grand totals. There's no toxic force used in this. They can use their own calculator. If you add those two numbers, that was the grand total. Okay? And you turn these over, you get 62,823,717. So cool little effect.